Hello YouTubers. So today is going to test the fluffiness of the microphones, see if we can stop that wind because it's quite windy. So today I am photographing probably the one of the most popular, well-known waterfalls on Dartmoor. So I photographed this waterfall before, but I haven't been here for ages. Wanted somewhere to go, so I thought I'd vlog this little location. It is probably the most well-known waterfall on Dartmoor. It's like two little cascades. It's beautiful, but it's a very steep decline down into the valley. So I've only probably walked about 10 minutes from the reservoir, which is over by those trees there, the main car park of Venford reservoir, and you walk downstream from the dam. I've stayed quite high. Oh, sun's coming out, the sun's coming out. I'm grateful to feel a bit of sun, but it's not good for doing waterfalls, but I need some sunshine. We are literally, that there is the dam for Venford reservoir. So you literally walk from the main car park south downstream, keep high a little, not even 5 minutes, and then start dropping down into the valley. You should hopefully hear the waterfall. It's a very steep incline into the little opening where the waterfall is, and this doesn't really justify how steep it is. That is out looking out to the eye, and that's down. So it's pretty steep. It gets you panting on the way back up, that's for sure. So I don't know if you can hear me. I just gone and got my first shot, which was over there, and I soon realised and felt water in my boot. I hope you can see that. See that hole. But nevertheless, it's absolutely beautiful down here. The sun keeps on coming out slightly and casting some lovely light. Ever since I've been coming here, this tree has been falling down and coming across the falls. And yeah, I'd like to see it. Love to get a shot without that there from back here. But yeah, bit of a shame, but it's still a lovely location. So I just want to pause me there, but in the location at Venford's. The tree that come along has always been there, but when I've been there in the past, it's been a lot higher up, so it's fallen down into the view of the falls. So yeah, so it's always been there, but it's been higher up, and then since going back today, what you're watching now, it's fallen down. So I can talk a little bit better now. Now we're not near loud water. So we've captured the falls, Venford Falls, and then this surprisingly nice lower falls, and now we've got the Mammoth Walk back up that bad boy. So yeah, I'll probably see you at the top panting. Whew. Oh, gets you going. Not for the faint-hearted, that's for sure. We've had a bit of a cold snap here, and I've got long johns on, thermals, thermal jackets, and on the way back up, it is such a tall climb in a short space, in a short ratio, short distance. Oh, but I'm literally near enough there now. It's just so vertical, it's like such a steep climb, but it is yet again so nice to be out on Dartmoor. I can hear the birds, nature's all around, I can feel my energies lifting for sure. So that was Venford Falls, a pretty famous, well-known, not famous, a well-known waterfall on Dartmoor. There isn't massive amounts of waterfalls on Dartmoor, and yeah, it's really cool. I really like it. I struggle visually for a decent strong composition just because that fallen tree, to me, it just really stops your eye from leading into the falls. So yeah, a little bit disappointed with that. I think if that wasn't there, there'd be some awesome compositions. It's still a beautiful place to go. It's so isolated, and obviously it's got such a trek down to it. I've only ever seen one person there. So yeah, it always feels a little bit special down there, as of a lot of locations on Dartmoor. And I've got this one little last bit of climb, and I've got a nice welcomed bit of mist, drizzly mist, to cool the old face down. Oh, whew. So if you're still watching now, a massive thank you for joining and coming along this journey of me capturing the countryside. I absolutely love landscape photography. I'd love you to get involved. Comment down below, subscribe, follow. There'll be loads more videos of me capturing Dartmoor, Cornwall, the southwest, and hopefully Wales soon. And yeah, feel free to subscribe. It would be really cool for you to support the channel if you've enjoyed this content. Until the next time, see you later. Cheers.